Hello, assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammed Jebreel and welcome back to new video. So today in this video we will be talking about top 5 business ideas in 2025. So this world is changing day by day, and today we will be talking about the top businesses in 2025 that you can start and you can get more successful in it. So let's get started. Now we all know that business is really important part of our life. Everyone wants to have a business, they want to run it in a good way and in a best way. So today we will be talking about that in this 2025, what business ideas are really important and what business ideas are really going forward in a good way. So let's get started. First of all, the first business idea that I wanted to talk with is e-commerce store. Now, if we look at e-commerce store is booming all right. Now, if we say that like you all would have ordered online something, so this is e-commerce. Like you are selling online. When you are selling online, the people who are with you, they just see it and they come and they buy it from you. So this is all the concept of e-commerce. E-commerce is something you sell online, commerce is something you sell physically. So that's why nowadays most of people, they just are sitting at their home, they order online, and from this they reach the product, it reach to them in some days. So this is like online, and this is e-commerce store from which the people are benefiting a lot, and it can be any. If you want to start a business clothes, so it's also possible you can start it. If you want to start another type of store, it is also possible. It all depends on you, but nowadays everyone have shifted to almost e-commerce online, and they are selling their products online globally or all over the world. So the second business idea is digital marketing agency. Now what is this idea? Now, if you want to run a business, there you would have to find some online marketers, best professional marketers who can come and run your business online in a good way. They can start ads in a good way which will help your business grow more. So this digital marketing agency, this is really going on peak. Everyone is nowadays having business, they want to make it or bring it forward, so they just have or they just hire a digital marketing agency which helps them to boost their businesses by promotions, by making SEO, by bringing them on the top of the page, and from extra and other things. So this is digital marketing agency. Say that if you would start a digital marketing agency, from this people will come after you. They would say that boost our profile, they would say that keep our profile and show it to a lot of people. So that's all your work, that's all digital marketer agency work, that they brings up ad on that profile, they boost that shop or a store. So this is all because of digital marketing agency who boost the ad, and also there are multiple things that is available in it. Now the third business idea is online education and courses. How is online education? Now you all can see that online education and these courses have brought up a lot of change. We all see that first of all we would be going to, like when there was not a lot of technology, first we would go to classes, like we would take it physically. But now you know that there are physically, like there are online classes available. You can just sit at your home, just open your mobile and search about whatever you want to learn. There are free courses, paid courses, whatever you want to learn, it is available all online. If you want to have education, if you want to learn anything about any information about this world, it is available online nowadays. So you all are taking benefit from it. So why not you make your own business idea about a course? You make a course, you just sell it online for the people will watch it from home. So that's why it is really important to look for these things. The fourth business idea is eco-friendly products. These products and these eco-friendly products are really important nowadays in our life. Nowadays people are concerned about environment, that our environment is getting bad, it is getting destroyed day by day. So why not you start a thing like this that saves the environment? You will have items that saves environment. You would have like reusable bags, they are saving environment. There are other things, no chemicals involved in products, they are like saving our environment. So nowadays you should have eco-friendly products, the products that suits with the environment, that the people wants it. So that's why it is really important for you, if you are looking for a business, try to look for a business that is eco-friendly, it suits the environment. Because nowadays I have also seen myself that people really matters about the environment, that we want something that don't destroy our environment. So that's why you should check for eco-friendly products. The last and but not the least, it is AI and automated services. You all know that AI has changed the world totally online. AI is just revealed and it is gonna change everything that is coming in future. AI and automated services, they are really important in our life. Now if we talk about AI is a chatbot. It can be a chatbot. Now if I give you the example of ChatGPT, you all know that how ChatGPT is and how it works. It just gives you a answer in a second. So how fast is it? And automated services like the automation services, that if someone is coming to a business and he just tells you that I need this, so there is automatic reply. And also there are many bots. If you want to make a website, nowadays AI is helping you. If you want to do something else, AI is helping you. Everywhere you will see there is AI. So this is all because of AI and automated services. So nowadays AI is on peak. If you want to improve your business or start a business newly, just go for AI and automated services. This will really help you to because nowadays this demand is more, everyone is after AI, they just want their work to be done easily and in a good way. So that's why AI and automated services, they are really going on peak. So these were 5 business ideas that I wanted to share with you and I wanted to talk about with you, that are nowadays in 2025, they are really on peak and people wants and its demand is very a lot. So that's why if you want to start a business or if you want to do something, just follow these 5 business ideas. If you want to do so whatever depends on you. So these 5 business ideas in my opinion are really important in nowadays life. So that was all. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.